Oh, when you comment and let me know how we do. Rate the style, rate it, rate my hands. Let me know if I can become my hairdresser and sing. You know what goes on with ourselves. Try to save the money and prepare for days that we do not know may encounter us. At least once in a while, go out and do some, get some fresh breeze, find some affordable ways to enjoy yourself. But I do this before, I don't know how it will work, I don't know if it will work. But more than something there, protect my ear than not at all. Fuck, me I got double up the tissue. The only thing about my body is that it's white. I don't really know if it will print out in the ear. Things that make me feel rich. Good food. Me, I love to eat a good plate of food. Money, make you wanna love the king. Money, buy you all time and ring. It's a girl's best friend make you do. I'm gonna find my content from roasting breadfruit or anything like that. Just know that your girl is definitely a girly girl too. Don't make nothing stop on in her life. Yeah, outside like I'm the one the place.